Yesterday, on November 30th, 2021, Klima DAO and Klima's token has basically collapsed. It dropped to about $855 to its lowest, and the overall decline was over 35%. And I understand why many people in the community were panicking. I was not too thrilled about what I saw myself, to be completely honest with you. Even though I completely understand how these projects work, I totally and fully hold myself accountable for my actions. And I know these projects openly and transparently tell you that invest at your own risk. However, I did not expect to see such intense volatility, especially to the downside, given that the project is getting all of the attention from the media, from big developers, and Bankless covered it, Mark Cuban invested in it, Cryptotainer even mentioned it on one of his streams, and Chico Crypto, Tyler, one of the most influential YouTubers that I personally admire and respect, they all speak about DAO, and they all mentioned Klima DAO. So why did Klima fall? And again, I did not read the entire document from beginning to end, to be completely honest with you. However, I can tell you one thing for sure. I'm not going to be panic selling yet. I will wait for another 7 or 8 days for the price to stabilize. And now let's talk about this in a little bit more detail. So stay tuned. This token is not designed to be speculative. It wasn't designed to be used for trading. This is not your typical coin that you would normally trade. If you want to trade and you want to take advantage of the volatility in the market, use other coins. Go to KuCoin. There are plenty of coins with nice liquidity where you can actually leverage short or leverage long, even though I do not recommend leverage trading whatsoever, but you can do that. So what I'm trying to say is do not panic. Panic buying or panic selling is never a good thing. Trust me. Basically, the reason for the price dump could be anything really. Some people are saying that the big whales are dumping. I don't think that the price is dumping because of that. I think the reasons are as follows. Some people are expecting the price to dump because the APY, the rewards, will be reduced. Others, and most people, I believe, are doing the following. If you have noticed, the APY has nearly doubled, even more than doubled. So when I saw that APY night before, the APY was about 30-some thousand%. Now the APY is over 75,000%. And Klima developers said that it will be temporarily increased before the adjustment is in place, which should happen on December 7th. But I could be wrong, but I believe it's December 7th. That's when we should see the price to stabilize more or less. So now what's happening is, again, in my opinion, people are receiving enormous incentive, and once they receive their Klima, they just dump it in the market, and this obviously drives the price down. They're mostly dumping their earned Klima, and the ones that are not informed of what's going on, they are probably just selling because they are afraid of the collapse. I believe everything will be stable more or less after December 7th, but until December 7th, please be ready for some volatility or just don't look at the markets. So essentially, Klima DAO said that if the KIP 3 passes, they will see the APY reward reduced. And you probably know that many investors, especially those that join crypto, they are not looking into a long-term success of any investment. We have this immediate gratification need where we want to see investments blow up today or tomorrow. So nobody really is nobody has the long-term horizon when it comes to investment, which is absolutely wrong in my opinion. So Klima DAO continues by saying that reducing APY rewards allows Klima DAO to improve the health and sustainability of the protocol by increasing the risk-free value of BCT in the treasury. It also increases the DAO's runway, meaning stakers will be able to enjoy rebasing rewards for a longer period of time. Again, they don't want immediate gratification. They don't want people to just make a quick buck on stake and sell. They want people to be part of the community. And again, those people that sold when Olympus DAO fell, they missed out on all these gains that the DAO made. And guys, I'm not trying to convince you to stake or to buy or to do anything. This is obviously not a financial advice. All I'm saying is I am going to wait for now to see what's happening. I believe that people are selling because the APY is super high. And especially if you are holding a lot of assets and you're staking a lot of assets on Klima DAO's portal, you are earning a lot of Klima. Because again, the team even said that the APY will be adjusted in a few days from now. So now people are just taking advantage of the fact that they are earning extra Klima and they're just dumping it onto the market. But this will be stable about on December 7th. Again, I could be wrong, but that's what I got out of the article that I read. I actually made and recorded a very long video trying to analyze the price action and compare it to Olympus DAO. I respect your time and I don't want to waste it. What I really showed and what I really wanted to cover in this video is to compare Klima DAO to Olympus DAO, how Olympus DAO fell by almost 80%. But if you look at the chart, you can barely see, it's a blimp on the chart, because the total market cap of Olympus DAO was $150 million and it dropped to $50 million before moving up to $3 billion. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen with Klima DAO. All I'm saying is if you are in Klima or Olympus or any other game theory type of project, you can't expect to invest in it today and become a multi-millionaire tomorrow. This project and these type of projects are created and designed for hodlers, for stakers, and for believers. If you don't feel comfortable losing money, you have to stay away from projects like Klima DAO. I'm telling you right now. And taking profits is okay, but panic selling, in my opinion, is not. Once again, guys, I cut this video very short because I respect your time and I don't want you to see me go through charts and analyze graphs just to make you watch my content. Guys, what I'm trying to say is this: these projects, these game theory projects, they're not meant to be traded. Stakers do get rewarded, and those that stake and don't try to play with the price and unstake and stake and sell and put, those benefit the most in the long run. I did not get into this project to make a quick buck. If you remember, I showed you Olympus DAO was going through insane peaks and troughs when it first launched, and now the price is more or less stable. But most importantly, the market cap, the total valuation of the project is on the uptrend. It's really trending upward. So am I really panicking about it? No, not yet. Am I concerned? Am I really upset? Yes, I am upset because everything in crypto seems to be moving up and my Klima that I'm staking is not really moving much and I'm actually losing money. But again, we'll see what happens later. Normally, hodlers, stakers, and believers get rewarded. Alright guys, I already said more than I wanted to say. It's been a long day for me personally. I'm sure it was a long day for you. Now I want to end this video and I want you to have a great day. Be safe, be happy, be prosperous. Make that money. Do not stress don't look at the charts every single minute, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.